Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this beautiful Chevy Equinox, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight bulbs in this truck. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we have to get T15 torque star screwdriver. Okay, so let's go. Let me show you. Over here you have a lid, okay, but to spin the lid you have to get this screw out. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So let's get the screw out. Okay, once we have the screw out, we are able to spin the lid. So we just spin the lid and get it out. Okay, then over here inside, hope you can see, we have this round cover here, this one. Hope you guys can see it. Okay, I'll try to. Okay, you see this lid? Okay, so I'm gonna spin it and try to get it out. I'm using my phone right here to make some light, so I'm just gonna grab on it and spin it. I'm just gonna put my phone here, put it in the pocket, and so what I'm doing, I'm putting my hand in, grabbing on the whole thing, spinning it and removing it. Okay, so it's in like this, so you just spin it and remove it. Okay, once you did it, you should be able to see the bulb. Okay, so we actually see it. The bulb is right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab on the bulb, spin it and get it out like this. Okay, so our bulb is right here. What we have to do, we have to disconnect it from connector by doing like this. Okay, as you can see, it's very simple. It's H11 bulb size if you have to replace it. Now to put it back on, I'm gonna push you guys here again. How do we connect? So once you have the new bulb, just connect it. Very simple. And then again, I'm trying to find the correct spot. I can't see nothing from here. So get the bulb in and spin it in. Okay, good. Then take the cover. Again, you're not going to see nothing, so just put your hand in, put it in and spin it close. Okay, so I closed the thing. Now just put this cover like this. I think it should be like this. So look, this hole has to be here. Okay, so this hole right here has to be here. Then just take the screw, 15 torque screwdriver, and put the screw back in place. Okay, so once you're done, you're all set. I hope this video helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day.